Okay, so week 4, lesson 2, lesson 1, evaluating algebraic expression. Okay? Pakibasa kay Robin, background information.
Background information for learners. Evaluating algebraic expression is one of the topics of fundamental algebra. The lesson is focused on evaluating arithmetic expressions. The order of operation is the key in simplifying all operation inside the parentheses. Perform all multiplication and division, working from left to right. Perform all addition and subtraction, working from left to right. This fact will help you learners to evaluate algebraic expressions.
Okay? So, one of the topics, no, of fundamental algebra. Next, in here, about evaluating algebraic expression or arithmetic expression, all you have to do is follow the order of operations. So what are the order of operations? These are what? Working all multiplication and division, which is the higher order. Then another one, we have addition and subtraction, working from left to right. No? Ganun din po. So that's why evaluating algebraic expression is one of the topics of fundamental algebra. The lesson is focused on evaluating algebraic or evaluating arithmetic expression. The order of operation is the key in simplifying all operations inside the parentheses. Perform all multiplication and divisions, working from left to right. Perform all addition and subtractions, working from left to right. This fact will help you learners to evaluate algebraic expression. So let's start with this. Suppose numbers are assigned to letters of the alphabet as follows. Letter A is 1, letter B is 2, letter C is 3, and so on, up to Z, which is 26. Therefore, the numbers that are assigned for my favorite fruit, which is grape, are G is 7, R is 18, A is 1, P is 16, and E is 5. Using this, find the value of my favorite fruit, grapefruit rather, by adding the values of each digit. Okay po? Example, from the word grape, G is 7 plus R is 18 plus A is 1 plus P is 16 plus E is 5. If you're going to add all of these, 7 plus 18 plus 1 plus 16 plus 5 is 47. Is it correct?
Opo.
Yan.
Opo, sir.
Now, my question is, what do you think the value of your favorite fruit? So, ganun lang po yung ating gagawin ngayon pag-evaluate. When a number is substituted for the variable in an algebraic expression or polynomial, the polynomial takes a numerical value. Finding the value is called evaluating the polynomial. Okay? There are two steps in evaluating an algebraic expression. First, you have to substitute the value or the variable by the given number value. Okay, papalitan nyo lang just like what we did there sa grape na ating ginawa. G corresponds 7, R corresponds 18, A corresponds 1, P corresponds 16, and E corresponds 5. Then after which, all you have to do is sum up depending on the operations. No? Naintindihan? Now, since plus lang po yan, so the sum is 47. Number 2, perform the indicated arithmetic and follow the order of operations. So, eto po ngayon. Yung una, first, simplify expressions within grouping symbols. Ano pa yung mga grouping symbols? Kapag parenthesis po, i-clear mo na yung parenthesis. Parang ganun po. So what are the three grouping symbols? We have the parenthesis, braces, and bracket. Yun po yung grouping symbols. Ano po yung grouping symbols? No? Yan po yung kapag gusto mo pagsamahin yung dalawa, gagamitan mo ng parenthesis. Ganun po yung tinatawag nating grouping symbols. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Naintindihan? Naintindihan po?
Opo,
Then,
sir.
simplify powers. Kung meron namang exponent, you have to simplify. No? Yan po. Yan po yung tinatawag nating PEMDAS. If there are parentheses, you have to clear the parentheses or grouping symbols. Then, if there are powers, you have to work from the powers first, no? Para ma-clear. Then, next, simplify the product and quotient in order from left to right. Multiplication from left to right. No? Another, simplify the sums and differences in order from left to right. Kapag merong tayong ipa-plus sa left, magpa-plus muna tayo bago tayo mag-subtract. No? So, simplify sums and difference in order from left to right. So, for example, we have here, evaluate the polynomial 3x when x is 7. Solution, substitute 7 for x, then evaluate the resulting expression. The given is 3x equals 3. Tapos lagyan ng symbol of multiplication. Instead of using x, parenthesis po yung gagamitin natin. So, replace x with 7. Yan, 7. So, 3 times 7 na po ngayon. So sabi niya, change the variable with parenthesis, substitute value for x, then multiply. 3 times 7 is 21. Nakuha na ninyo ang sagot. Madali.
Opo.
Number 2.
Opo, sir.
Look at the examples, the flow of the examples of the different examples, no? Nadadagdagan ng part or factors. So katulad nito, evaluate 3x squared. So kanina wala tayong squared, nilagyan ko na ng squared. So 3x squared when x is 0. Solution, substitute 0 for x. Or you simply replace x with 0. Yan. So the given 3x squared is equal to, yung given po natin na 3x squared, pwede natin tawagin expression po or polynomial. Naintindihan? For as long as polynomial po, alam niyo naman po ang ang algebraic expression or polynomial. Okay? So, evaluate 3x squared when x is equal to 0. Solution, substitute 0 for x. Then 3x squared is equal to 3. Tapos multiply. So, the symbol of multiplication, parenthesis po ang ginamit dyan. Then, you write the 0. Ito na po sa ilalim. Second step. 3 times 0 tapos squared. Kapag may square po, isusunod nyo po iyan na gagawin. To clear the parenthesis, wala naman po kayong parenthesis dyan. You proceed to the power. May power po dyan, naka-square po. Ito po yung flow natin na perform the indicated arithmetic and follow the order of operations. Ito po yung pagkakasunod. Okay po? Naintindihan? Okay, next.
Opo.
Now, paano natin tatanggalin yung exponent? Yan po yun, simplify power or powers. No? So, 0 times 0.
0, sir. 0.
0. Okay? So, kaya, 3 times 0. Natanggal na natin ang
0, sir.
exponent. Base sa PEMDAS, P, parenthesis, E, exponent. Yan, PEMDAS. M, Ano yung M? Multiply. Or that is
Opo.
multiplication. Then, D is division. Okay po?
Opo.
Then, A is addition. And S is subtraction. PEMDAS. Okay? Okay po?
Opo, sir. Opo.
Yan. So, 3 times 0 is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Example number 3. Evaluate negative 2x minus y when x is negative 6 and y is negative 2. Substitute the given values for the variables, then simplify using the order of operations. So negative 2x minus y is equal to negative 2. Then, open and close parenthesis minus open and close parenthesis. Change the variables with parentheses. So negative 6, replace x with negative 6. Ayan po, given siya o nasa itaas. Negative 6. Then, yung y is negative 2. So, substitute the values or substitute values for x and y. Then after that, simplify. Ano po ang mauuna natin gagawin? Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-subtract po. Nasa gitna po kayo, mayroong multiplication dito. Di ba sabi natin higher order ang multiplication and division?
Opo, sir.
Yan. So magmumultiply muna tayo bago tayo mag-subtract. Since wala naman ng addition, subtraction na tayo. Okay? Yan. So negative 2 times negative 6, parehong negative. If you're going to multiply parehong negative, the product or the sign of the product is positive 12. Positive 12 na po. If we're going to multiply parehong negative, the sign is positive. Tama?
Opo.
So negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. And of course, subtract na tayo. Now, since subtraction po, instead of plus 2 na kaagad. Paano nangyari yon? Substitute value for x and y. What shall we do with this? Change the operation. Sa subtraction of integers, di ba sabi natin, change the operation. From
Opo, sir.
subtraction to addition. Papalitan nyo po. Then, change the sign of the subtrahend, negative 2, gawin yung positive. E di plus yung ngayon, positive 2 naman yun. E di plus 2. So 12 plus 2 na po. Simplify, 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay po? Number 4 now. Evaluate 3x squared minus 5 when x is negative 0.5. Substitute negative 0.5 for x. Then 3x squared minus 5 is equal to, then we have here, okay na po?
Opo, sir.
Yan. So, negative 0.5 squared. Ayan. So, siyempre kapag i-multiply nyo, negative 0.5 times negative 0.5, anong product niyan? 0.25.
Opo, sir.
Okay? Pagkatapos niyan, since multiplication po ang higher order, huwag muna kayo mag-subtract, multiply muna kayo. 0 times 0.25 times 3 is 0.75. Okay? Pagkatapos niyan, saka kayo mag-subtract. Siyempre, change the operation, change the sign of the subtrahend. So, 5 minus 0.75 is 4.25. Anong sign ang susundan natin?
Negative po, sir.
Negative. Ulitin ko, change the operation. Yung subtraction operation yan, plus ang gagawin. Tapos yung positive 5, change it. Gawin yung negative. Kaya negative 5 or 5 minus 0.75 is 4.25. Anong sign ang susundin? Negative po. So that's why your answer is negative 4.25. Naintindihan? Okay, number 5 na tayo. Diyan lang naman sa subtraction po. Kapag meron kayong subtraction, laging ganun po ang process ninyo. Naintindihan? Change the operation, change the sign. Yun po yung ginawa natin, no? Pinaintindi ko sa inyo ng subtraction of integers. Naintindihan? Sa subtraction of integers, dalawa lang po yung gagawin natin doon eh. No? Subtraction of integers, change the sign, change the operation symbol to addition symbol, then change the sign of the subtrahend, pangalawa, then proceed to addition. Evaluate the polynomial x cubed minus 3x minus 4 when x is equal to negative 1. Ayan. Ayan na po. So, x cubed minus 3x minus 4 is equal to, then syempre parenthesis, cube minus 3, open and close parenthesis, minus 4. Change variable with parenthesis. Then x cubed minus 3x minus 4, replace now. No? Replace x with negative 1. Syempre cube minus 3, replace x with negative 1, minus 4. So sabi niya, work on the exponent first by multiplying negative 1 into 3 times. So kapag minultiply niyo po yung negative 1 into 3 times, since the 3, which is, we're referring to this exponent, the 3 is add. Add number po yung 3, tama? Of course. Kaya siya naging negative 1. Or simply negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Positive 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Tama?
Opo, sir.
Sabihin nyo lang sa akin kung hindi nyo naintindihan. Di ba nung nag-lesson tayo ng base and yung exponent po, yung base and exponent, the exponent tells how many times the base to be multiplied. E, syempre, yung base natin dyan ay negative 1, tapos yung exponent natin ay 3. Ibig sabihin, you're going to multiply the negative 1 into 3 times. Kaya yan, sabi niya dito sa explanation sa right side. Work on the exponent first by multiplying negative 1 into 3 times. Intindihan? So, ang clue dyan, kapag negative 1 lang naman po, tapos yung exponent po ang titignan ninyo, kung matandaan ninyo yung explanation ko before, negative 1 to the 100. Now, since that 100 is even, no? Kaya automatic positive 1 po ang sagot. Pag negative 1 raised to 99, that 99 is add, automatic your answer is negative 1. O ngayon, add po yung 3. So, negative 1 raised to 3 or third power, that is negative 1. Okay na po? Okay po? Now, pareho pong subtraction, left and right. So, kahit alin dyan ang mauna nating gagawin, pwede rin naman dito muna sa left, kasi nga sabi niya left to right. No? Hello po. Negative 1 minus negative 3. Now, what shall we do with that? Change the operation. Naririnig niyo ako? Change the operation from subtraction to addition. Change the sign of the subtrahend from negative 3, gawin natin positive 3. So, instead of writing negative 1 plus positive 3, pwede na pong negative 1 plus 3. Tapos isunod po natin yung minus 4. Okay? So, ito naman po ngayon. After ng left, right naman po tayo. Bring down negative 1 plus. Ito naman po ang gagawin natin. 3 minus 4. Change the operation from subtraction to addition. Change the sign of the subtrahend. Positive 4 gawing negative. So 4 plus, negative 4 plus 3. Anong sagot? Negative 4 plus 3. Or 3 plus negative 4. Anong sagot?
Negative 1, sir. Negative 1.
Negative 1. So, negative 1 plus negative 1.
Negative 2, sir.
Negative
Okay.
2 po.
Adding like signs po yan. Kapag parehong signs, Tapos i-add nyo lang po yung kanilang positive value. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. Tapos, since parehong negative, copy the common sign. Yan. So, negative 2. Okay, number 6. Evaluate y squared minus 3y minus 4 when y is equal to 1/2. Fraction po tayo. Substitute 1/2 for y. So, the expression y squared minus 3y minus 4, huwag niyong kalilimutan isulat. Lagi niyong isusulat yan bilang panimulan ninyo para hindi kayo malito. Then after that, equal. Then isipin niyo po, parenthesis dyan, squared minus 3 parenthesis dyan, minus 4. Change the variables with parenthesis. Then since the value of y is 1/2, yan, ilagay na ninyo 1/2 squared minus 3, the value of y which is 1/2 minus 4. Now, mauuna ulit yung may exponent sa left. Okay? So what is 1/2 times 1/2? 1/2
One, sir.
times 1/2.
One.
1 ba?
One.
Di ba kapag
One whole.
nag-multiply tayo ng pareho,
1/2 po,
1/2
sir.
times 1/2 is, minumultiply po natin yung parehong numerator. 1/2 times 1/2, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. Di ba? Kapag nag-multiply tayo ng parehong fraction, minumultiply po natin yung numerator, minumultiply din natin ng hiwalay yung denominator. Then, ilo-lowest term. Kung needed.
1/4 po, sir.
1/4. Ito po, 1/4. Then next, syempre, we have here, huwag niyo muna intindihan yung doon. Dito muna ninyo ilagay. You work from this, no? 3 times 1/2. Kapag nagmumultiply naman tayo ng fraction at saka whole number, minumultiply natin yung whole number at saka yung numerator. So 3 times 1 is 3. Then copy the denominator which is 2. So meron na tayong 1/4 minus 3 halves. Copy minus 4. Okay po? So from left to right ulit. Since parehong may minus dyan. So ito muna. 1/4 minus 3 halves. Ano sagot?
Ano po yung tanong, sir? Naglalag po kasi.
1/4 minus 3 halves. 1/4 minus 3 halves. So, pwede kayo mag-cross multiply.
5/4 po.
Okay. So, negative, right, 2, negative 5/4. So, that's why we have here negative 4. Ang una niyong gagawin po ay i-cross multiply ito. At saka yung 1/4. So, 1/4 minus 3 halves. Pwede kayo mag-cross multiply. Naiintindihan? Di ba tinuruan ko dati? Pwede kayo mag-cross multiply.
Opo.
Try niyo po. 1/4 minus 3 halves. Tapos cross multiply niyo. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Then 4 times 2 is 8. Then 2 minus 12 is 10. Negative 10 over 8. Ilalowest term ninyo, negative 5/4. Ito na po, negative 5/4. Okay po.
Opo.
Opo.
O, ano sagot? Ano ang sagot?
Negative 5/4 po, sir.
Okay, so let us proceed to example number 7. Ayan. Renz plans to buy a study table for his son for the opening of classes, but since pandemic, he decided to order through online selling. If the height of the table is 6y minus 6 centimeters, what is its actual height if the value of y is 25? Okay, so we have the algebraic expression 6y minus 6 centimeters. Substitute 25 for y. Then we have 6y minus 7 centimeters is equal to 6 times open and close parentheses minus 6. Change the variable with parentheses. Then 6 times 25. Yan. Substitute the value of y. Substitute the, what we call this? Substitute value for y. No? So we have now the operations. Mauna po yung multiplication. Then sunod natin ang division. Since walang i-divide, subtraction na kaagad. Okay? Naintindihan? So 6 times 25 is 150. Then sabi ko nga sa inyo, sa pagsisimplify natin walang division. Di ba magkasunod yung multiplication and division? Working from left to right. Subtraction naman kaagad ang meron. Kaya subtract na. So 150 minus 6 is 144 centimeter. Okay po?
Opo.
Okay, you practice now 1 to 5. Activity number 1, practice only, not recorded. But you are required para ma-practice kayo. Naintindihan?
Sir, ako number 1, sir.
Okay, so number 1.
6 times A. So, yung A po, sir, let A be the 3 po, sir. So, 6 times 3.
Is 18.
Opo, sir.
Okay, that is correct. Next, number 2. Solve niyo sa notebook niyo. Get your math notebook para ma-practice kayo. Walang nagpa-practice na tinititigan lang. Okay?
May 10 piso ka? Ako na lang.
No.
Ako na 10 piso mo. No. Ako na 10 piso mo.
5 lang. Huwag mo kunin yun. Hindi mo
Sweldo,
ako
sweldo,
sinabi ko.
sweldo. Sweldo. Ito ang sweldo.
You're not working yet.
Ito ang sweldo.
Sweldo?
Sweldo.
Hindi pwede mag-demand ng sweldo. You're not working yet. You are baby. Oh. Okay, then.
Bigyan mo muna ako ng
Sweldo.
sweldo.
Oh yes. Oh, eto na. I'll give you 5 pesos as your sweldo.
Yeah.
Right? What will you say?
Thank you. Hey, hey, come on here. Hey, come on here. Give mo.
You have that number 2 now? May sagot na
Wala
kayo
po
sa
po,
number
sir.
2. Pag 2/3 of 4, 2/3 of 4, ibig sabihin, i-multiply nyo po yung 4 na whole number at saka yung 2. So, 2 times 4 is 8 over 3. 8 over 3 na po. So, 8 over 3 plus 3. Whole number naman po plus fraction na 8 over 3. Magko-cross multiply na lang kayo. Kung gusto nyo gawing fraction yung 3 na whole number, lagyan yung over 1. O ano sagot? Tapos mag-cross multiply na. tapos mag-multiply na. Ano sagot?
8/9 po.
8/9. That is incorrect. Di ba palitan ninyo yung yung B ng 4? 8/3 yan. So 2 times 4 is 8/3. Tapos yung A ninyo ay 3. So 3 plus 8/3 po ang gagawin nyo. So you add 3 plus 8/3. Anong sagot? Yung iba po, you proceed to number 3. Number 4, number 5, para mabilis tayo. It's already 11:47. Wala pa rin? Cross multiply. 3 times 3, 9. Hello po. 1 times 8 is 8. Oh. 8 plus 9, 17. 17/3. Ilo-lowest term ninyo? Wala.
29, sir.
Hindi po. 17/3 or 5 2/3 lang. Ulitin natin. Pag sinabi natin 2/3 of 4, imumultiply po. Ano pong minumultiply? Yung 2 at saka yung 4. So 2 times 2 times 4 is 8. Tapos kopyahin nyo lang yung denominator na 3. So 8/3. Yung 8/3 yan po yung ipa-plus ninyo dun sa A. Na kapag pinalitan ninyo yung A ng 3, 3 plus 8/3. Okay po? Ngayon, cross multiply, 3 times 3, 9. 1 times 8 is 8. So 9 plus 8 na po. Sa ilalim naman, 1 times 3 is 3. So 9 plus 8 is 17/3. So hindi natin malulowest term not unless we are going to write it into mixed number. Anong mixed number nito? 5 2/3. Okay, so you proceed to number 3.
Ang galing mo. Ang galing.
Ang sagot sa number 3.
Napupuna ako.
21 po.
Bakit sa 21?
29 po, sir.
29. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 4, 16. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Okay po, 29. Number 4.
Negative 9 po.
No.
Negative 9 po, sir.
No. Three minus replace B with 4. So 4 squared plus replace C with negative 2. Yan. Then 3 minus 4 times 4, 16 plus negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. Positive 4 times negative 2, negative. Negative? What is negative 2 to the third power? What is negative 2 to the third power?
Positive 8, sir.
Negative 8 po.
Negative 8. Okay? So 3 minus 16 minus 8.
Sir, negative 15 po.
No? negative. We have 3 minus 16. Negative 13 minus negative 8. Minus 8.
20.
Hindi po. 3 minus 16 minus 8 po eh.
Sir, anong number, sir?
Number 4. 3 minus 16 minus 8.
Negative 21 po.
Negative 21. Okay, that is correct. Next, number 5.
6 po, sir.
No. Palitan yung ano, yung what do you call this? Palitan yung A ng 3. Palitan yung B ng
41, sir.
ha? Palitan yung C ng negative 2. 3 times 3, 9.
41.
4 times 4, 16. Then minus 4. We have 4. Tapos, 4, negative 2 squared is 4. Ang sagot.
41 po.
Bakit siya 51?
41.
Bakit siya 41? Ulitin ko 3 squared. Yung A ninyo ay 3. So, 3 squared, that is 9. Plus, yung B ninyo ay 4. 4 squared is 16. Minus 4. Palitan nyo si C. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. So, 4 times 4, 16. O, 16. So, 9 plus 16 minus 16.
29 po.
Bakit siya naging 29? 9 plus 16 minus 16.
9 po.
9. 9 po. Pag-plusin ninyo, 9 plus 16, that is 20. 25. Bawasan ninyo ng 16. Edi 9. Hello?
Opo.
Opo.
Okay.
Yes po.
So, meron pa dyan numbers 5 daw to. 5. So, hanggang 11 pala ito, no? Mali yung numbering. Okay. Naintindihan? So, meron pa kayong pa-practicing dyan. Tapos punta na tayo sa, yan. Complete the table by evaluating each of the algebraic expression in the first column by substituting the value of x in the second column and show your solutions in the third column to get the value of the expression. The number 1 is done for you. So, yung x plus 9, simple lang po, replace x with 1. So, 1 plus 9 is 10. The value of the expression is 10. Okay po? Naintindihan?
Opo, sir.
Opo.
Okay. Number 2, replace x with 2. What is your answer?
9 po, sir.
It's 9. Okay po? So, 5 times 2 is 10 minus 1 is 9. So, 9 ang ilagay dito. Next.
8 po, sir.
2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So, 8 dito. Next.
7 po.
4. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 po dito.
6, sir. 6.
Very easy. No?
6 po, sir.
So, what is x squared? 5 squared. What is 5 squared?
25.
25
Minus
po.
19.
9.
So, 5 times 5 is 25 minus 19.
6 po.
6 po.
6. So, 6 dito ang sagot. O, ganun lang po. Naintindihan?
Yes po.
Naintindihan?
Opo.
Di lalo na
Medyo
dito
po,
sa
sir.
last. Replace x with 10. So,
5.
10 divided by 10.
1 po, sir.
1. Okay? So, eto lang din. So, 9 over 4 minus 1 over 4.
2.5, sir.
9 over 4 minus 1 over 4. 9
2
minus
po.
1 is 8. Divided by 4 is 2. So, para lang tayo nagbilang ng sagot dyan na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay po? Naintindihan?
Sir, opo, sir.
Okay, next, number 3. The following mathematical statements describe cost and revenue in pesos from the production and sale of Y units of Rubik's Cube. The cost of R of manufacturing, that is R is equal to 12Y plus 10. Cost of G for marketing, that is G is equal to Y squared minus 2Y plus 4. Revenue of T from sales, T is equal to 2Y squared plus 5Y. Now, let's solve this number 1. What is the cost of manufacturing 75 units of Rubik's Cube? All you have to do is get the algebraic expression 12y. Yan, sinulat ko rito, 12y plus 10. Then I substituted y with 75. So 12 times 75 plus 10 is equal to 910. Is this correct?
Opo, sir.
Okay. So ganun lang po yung gagawin dyan. Naintindihan? So 910. Now, what is the cost of marketing 75 units of Rubik's Cube? O, ito naman po, kapag marketing ninyo, ito po. Replace X with 75. Y. Ang sagot. 75 squared. Replace ninyo yung Y. 75 squared.
5,625 po.
Final answer na yon. Hindi pa. $75 squared. 75 times 75 po. 5,625. Minus. Okay? So 5,625 minus 2 times 75 plus 4. Ano sagot? So 5,625
5,479 po.
So minus, no? So 5,000 minus 150. Ano sagot? 5,425 plus 4. Ano sagot?
1,471.
5,000?
471 po.
471. Meron pang 4 plus 4.
5,479
po.
5,479.
79.
O, ganun lang po yon. Naintindihan? Okay? Kasi
Medyo po.
12 na po. Pwede naman po kayong mag-solve dyan. No? Kung papracticein nyo po yan, sasagutan hanggang 7, siyempre naman siguro matuto kayo dyan. Okay? Naintindihan?
Opo.
Pwede niyo po i-type ito sa GC ninyo, number 3. Right? The mathematical statement. O pwede niyo i-solve po sa papel tapos picturean niyo, i-send niyo sa GC. Magla-like ako kung tama. Kapag mali, cry. Naintindihan? Emoji ng
Sige po.
iiyak na mali. Okay? So, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. Pwede niyo po i-solve yan tapos yung tama po ang bibigyan ko ng recitation na perfect 5. Kung tama kayo, okay? Paunahan na lang kayo. Ilan lang to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lang po yan. So, 5 estudyante po ang mag-uunahan. Naintindihan niyo po? Pag mali po, makikita niyo naman po, lalagyan ko ng emoji na umiiyak. Naintindihan?
Opo.
Opo.
Okay. Kung tama, okay po, ilalagay ko. Okay. Counted po. So, paunahan na lang kayo. 3 to 7. Okay po? So, don't forget your assignment. We will check on January. Naintindihan po?
Yes po.
Okay. Sige. Pwede na tayong Ay, mag-attendance pa pala tayo, no? Sandali lang. Exit na muna ako. Ay, napicturan ba ninyo yan? Hindi.
Nasa GC naman po.
Sa GC
sir.
naman po, sir.
Okay, so sige. Stop presenting ako.